All right, welcome back once again, wonderful people. Welcome back to this wonderful channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're listening to us from. Please, if this is the first time listening to this wonderful channel, kindly like, comment, and share. Don't touch that there. This is where you need to be. Okay, wonderful people, let us hit to today's news headline and know what's happening. Then come they talk here, say, court free 7 IPOB supporters. They can't find police people 130 million. They say court don't free IPOB supporters. It's like say they get the people where they arrest, so they don't free them. Indigenous people of Biafra has secured a court victory for about 7 supporters of its leader. Nnamdi Kanu said to have been arrested and legally held in various detention centers by security agencies. Kanu's counsel Ifeanyi Ejiofor said the court did not only discharge the IPOB supporters, but also awarded 130 million in damages in their favor against security agencies, according to the lawyer in charge, marked FSC ABG CR 475/2021. Justice M.O. Olajuwon of Federal High Court in Abuja discharged Maria Ezedaro of all frivolous criminal allegations charged brought against her before the court. They said they don't free the woman then charge her for criminal allegation on the things where she do, but the court don't free her. Ejiofor said she was arrested on February 26th when she visited the state CID Owerri, Imo State Command to give food and medication to her friend who was detained there, and there was subsequently transferred to the Inspector General of Police Intelligence Response Team Detention Facility in Abuja, where she was subjected to all forms of inhuman treatment, several to torture and degradation. However, following the refusal of the police to release her or charge her to court, we filed a fundamental right enforcement suit on her behalf before the Federal High Court, Abuja. They talk to this woman where they arrest. No do anything, no. She said make she can't look her friends where they arrest, detain for police custody. She carry food where she won't come give them. Now because she carry food though, now so they can't detain her. But they say they don't go court and talk on her behalf. Now they can't release her. Still on our application, she was granted bail by the court on April and consequently released to us upon perfection of the bail condition. The bail condition where they talk, we say they charge those people where arrest her 130 million into to do her good, you know. And everyone understand what I talk, make them use her to cover up for the thing where they do when no good. On October 10, 2023, following our application and submission before the court, the Federal High Court, Abuja, paid Hon Justice M.O. Olajuwon struck out the 4 counts of terrorism filed against Mrs. Maria Ezedaro and consequently discharged her. The court can't look into her matter now, so they can't discharge her. Also, Justice V.S. Gawa of the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory in Abuja discharged the pastor of the Holy Trinity Sabbath Church, Olu, Imo State, Celestus Nwachukwu Egole, his wife, Ifeyinwa Egole, a prophet of Jewish faith, Mitchell Oba Ugochukwu Samuel, and Raphael Idang. The court also granted them 1 million compensatory damage against the police. They say all these people why I call their name, they also detain them. Now so court can't discharge them of all the charges wey dem charge against them and can't compensate them with 1 million. Now so they do for the other woman wey come sit in friends for police station. They also compensate am. Now they were said to have been arrested and subsequently paraded by the Imo State Command of the Nigerian Police on March and subsequently transferred to the IGP Intelligence Response Team detention facility in Abattoir, Abuja. Justice Z.B. Abubakar of the Federal High Court in Abuja also ordered the release of Ngozi Chukwu Ada Dave and awarded 30 million compensatory damage in her favor. They said this woman, they compensate her with 30 million for all the damages wey they don't cause for her. Ada Dave was arrested in June by a team of fully armed operatives of the Nigerian Police Force and thereafter taken to the IGP IRT located in Ikeja, GRA, where she was detained in unlawful custody till July 3rd, when she was transferred to the Gaki Command of the Nigerian Police, notoriously known as the Arbiter. Wonderful people, una don hear wetin dem do these people. They just arrest them for nothing, but they say the law don discharge them of all charges. Come use money compensate them for all the things wey dem cause them, for all the harm wey dem cause them. They compensate them with better money. Then give other people 100 million, and so they can't give this woman Ada Dave. They give am 30 million. Wonderful people. Now down here as the thing take go, they don't discharge all of them. But without taking much of your time, let's just look into another matter briefly. Now so they can't talk for this place. Atiku's evidence from Chicago irrelevant. TINUBU tells Supreme Court. They talk say evidence where Oga Atiku bring for Chicago court they irrelevant. Now so Oga TINUBU they tell them. President Bola Tinubu has asked the Supreme Court to discontest his Chicago State University Academy record attached by the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, to his election petition appeal, saying it is alien to the judicial proceeding in the country. Tinubu asserted that the CSU discovery was not part of the record or the judgment of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, urging that the apex court not to admit it. In the talk, they make the not try admit any evidence where they bring. The president further said that the former vice president had the habit of first filing a petition and afterwards hunting for evidence, noting that he had exhibited that while appealing the tribunal judgment. The president, in his response to Atiku's appeal, filed Saturday by his lawyers, led by Wole Olapenko San, held that the claim that his credentials contains things was mainly cooked by the PDP standard bearer in the February presidential election. So they talk say they in certificate when you run for this election, say the crookah, so no be better certificate be that. He said applicant submission under paragraph 6.45 of their brief further exposes the entire attitude of the applicant before the lawyer court, that the attitude of first filing a petition and then finishing for evidence during the pendency of the petition and even up to the point to appeal to his honorable court without any objection to his issue. We submit that the arguments regarding a purported case number 123 application of Atiku for an order directing discovery from Chicago State University is alien to these proceedings, does not arise from the record or the judgment of the lawyer court and cannot be contested by the Honorable Court, and we urge the court to do so hold. They talk say any evidence where Oga Atiku bring say make dem no admit am o, say e no dey irrelevant now, say they don't do wetin they wan do, say any evidence wey dem bring now dey irrelevant. Wonderful people, na here wey we go cut am for now. Abeg go, if you never hit that subscribe button o, abeg try hit am. Anytime we get ogbonge news wey dey happen, na you go be the first to get the alert. Na here wey we go cut am for now. Thank you.